Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you're new returning, welcome. So I'm so excited for this vlog. It's such an adventurous vlog. I went to a shooting range and I'm so excited about that. I'm gonna share all the details, but let's get into the video first.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm never slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is.
Okay, so first of all, my sister planned the whole trip. I did not know about it, but anyway, I was told like last minute, like you're gonna be going tomorrow. Anyway, this was the poster for like the trip. Like it was planned by this team. It's called, I think, Vibes. This is the poster, and then it was the trip there was so it was such a long trip. I think we left at 8 and we were arriving there at like 1. So it was such a long trip. But granted, when we were going, we stopped for snacks, and then we stopped for like photos on the way. But still, it was such a long journey. At halfway, I was like, oh my god, is this even worth it? And I wish like we could have gone there for like to sleep and then come back later. But anyway, it was fun when we got there. It was so after the place looked so good. There was just this nice views. The shooting experience was like at first I was so scared. I was like, I don't think I wanna do it. But when I just got there, it was just adrenaline. I did it. It was exciting. Really, I'm kind of scared of guns because they cause so much damage, to be honest. But it was exciting. It's just an adventurous thing to do if you just wanna go out there and like discover life without feeling like you have to do the same thing over and over again. So I would recommend if you like want to try something like new and exciting, that probably would, it's just gonna be exciting anyway. And then anyway, we came back. I think going was like 5 hours, but I think because of the stuff at the supermarket and the photos, coming back, I think we left at 7. We were arriving at I think 11 p.m. So yeah, I think it was an hour short probably. But anyway, it was exciting. I would really recommend you try. And then they gave us this gifts. The team that took us, they gave us this gift. So it's like a water bottle. It's like vibe. So this is the team that took us. Yeah. So anyway, it was fun. If you really want to try it, I think you can look at, I don't know their pages yet, but let me see. Okay, here are the pages. We have Space Vibes Adventures on Facebook, Space Vibes Adventures underscore KE on Instagram. You can check out more of their travel plans because they say they had a lot of travel plan, like they are planning more trips. So if you're interested to travel with a group of people, you can travel with them. This was a gift. They gave us this gift. They gave us this gift as we were coming back. So if you want to travel, you can look at them at their pages. Yeah, I think I don't know. Yeah, but you can look at their pages and see more trips they're planning and travel with them. It was so fun. So we did play games. We came back. Yeah, it was interesting. I don't know if I'll do it again because it's so far. It was so far. Yeah, but it was interesting anyway. Anyway, let's get on with the rest of the vlog. I'm so excited to try this new smoothie. I'm so excited. So let's get on with the vlog. So if you saw, okay, if you didn't see the last vlog, we did like a beetroot, milk, 1 tablespoon of oats, and like we squeezed in a little lemon. Yeah, I think that was it. Okay. So today we're gonna be doing the same ingredients, but we're gonna be adding yogurt because I felt like if yogurt was in it, it would have been sweeter. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the vlog. So let's start with the smoothie. The bananas are already frozen. Yeah, if you didn't see the other vlog, you can go watch the other vlog and see how I made that smoothie. But this, it's kind of the same. I think the only thing I'm adding is just yogurt. Yeah, yogurt. Anyway, so let's make the smoothie and then see how it's gonna taste. Okay, so the smoothie is done. Let's taste it. Okay, this tray is not working really good. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, it's much sweeter than the other one. I think the yogurt really has, but it's chewy too. I think I like that. I think if you wanna gain weight or you wanna feel even more fuller, you can put more oats in it. But oats are gonna make you gain weight later. So just be careful with the oats. Anyway, I hope you try this and let me know how you think it tastes according to your taste buds. And let's get on with the video. Okay, so today for dinner we're having biryani. I have been craving biryani. Let me get a fork. Okay, so I have been craving biryani, but I have no idea how to make it. So I'm not in Mombasa. Okay, let's see. Okay, it looks so good. Okay. It tastes good. It looks good, tastes good. So thank you for watching this vlog. I'll see you in the next video, which is gonna be a sit down. We're gonna talk about something fun, interesting. We'll see you and see you in the next one.
Lighten up